for any form of gathering like this, those people that used to hijack protests to perpetrate their evil plan, this is how they start. That is why we don't want them to come in population.
We don't want them in population.
Yeah, what's it called? Idris Abdul Karim, he sang Nigerian Jaga Jaga as of 1999. The problem did not start from this administration. And if we want to be realistic with ourselves, you people will understand that the policy Bola Ahmed Tinubu is bringing, it might not be of our favor today, but it will be a brighter future for us. So we should not accept or allow any politician to manipulate our mindset to do what we know is against the law. The government cannot disenfranchise us from attaining our civil rights, but let us be mindful of how we do it, because your motive is different from others. A lot of them are somewhere. They just want the gathering to be more populated than this, so that they will start perpetrating evil, and we don't want that. We suffered a lot. A majority of Lagos State property were destroyed, even during the NSAS. Forensic hospital was burnt down. TVC was burned down. That was why even autopsy, the only autopsy